Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and today I will create another new character design. Well, I'm going to redraw this original character of mine. I created him a few years ago, and for this series I'm starting with redrawing my already created characters to kinda get into the mindset of creating new designs. I want to create lots of new characters to use my imagination and creativity, but also to spice things up so we all can see something different and new on my channel. I don't have a name for this character yet, but for now, let's get right into the drawing process and I will talk to you in the end again. Make sure to like the video, and now let's go. So guys, we are done with creating a new character, and I think this one is really cool. He has a very unique design, lots of details, and this is not really drawn in Dragon Ball Z style, which is also refreshing. So I have no idea how I came up with this design back then. This seems like a cyborg, has electricity-like powers, has a very detailed design as I said, and now I want you guys to think of a name for him. I really like this series and soon I will create another brand new character. Alright guys, now let me know in the comments what you think of this. Also give me inspiration for future videos and like the video to show me your support. You can also support me on Patreon. If you appreciate my work, that would be amazing. I will upload this drawing uncut and in full time on my real-time channel, so you can follow my steps easy if you want to draw these drawings yourself. So subscribe to my real-time channel as well. Check out my online shop for original drawings and prints, and for commissions, message me on Instagram or email. And if your custom drawing fits to my channel, I will make a video out of it and mention your name in a video as well. All the links down below in the info box, including the materials I'm using. That's it guys, thank you all for watching and I'll see you on the next